Who would ever thought na sasabihin ko ulit to? Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god! Kind of sorry na ginost ko kayo for 4 years. My last upload was 2021 and then active na ako sa TikTok like nothing happened and now I'm here. Pero first and foremost, I just wanted to say hello, kamusta kayo? Yung mga tao ba na nanonood dito, nanonood din sa TikTok because I'm more active there. But I just wanted to say hi. I just wanted to come to YouTube randomly on a random Monday night and ask you guys kung ano nangyayari sa buhay nyo after years of not knowing kung ano nangyayari sa buhay nyo. If you don't know, I've switched niches. I currently collect perfumes now. And it's just so weird to see na parang iniwan ko tong channel na to. And I'm so sorry if nagawa ko yun. I just feel a need. Kinakaroon ng change. And honestly speaking, medyo no, hindi ko na maalala yung last time. Like, ginawa ko yung sit-down video. And I do perfume content. And if you don't know, I love perfumes. As in, yun yung isa kong shelf. And then may isa pa ako na sobrang laki. Pero onti pa lang yan. As in like, iilan pa lang yung perfumes ko na yan. I wanted to collect more. Hindi lang timbang ang nag-gain sa akin, pati experiences. And I feel like with YouTube, it has to be very planned out. It has to be very aesthetically pleasing. And with TikTok kasi I don't do very aesthetically pleasing content. I feel like eto na to. Parang kung anong nakikita nyo, eto na yun. And the reason why I wanted to do content on YouTube again is not to do a day in the life video. Maybe, pwede. I really want to do that. I have a new camera now and I'm so thankful. But I really want to delve into perfume content on YouTube kasi I feel like ang onti lang. And even though this platform doesn't do that much, alam mo yun, in terms of perfume content sa Philippines, baka pwede natin i-pioneer yan kasama ng mga ibang Filipino content creators na gumagawa na nun ngayon. Pero sa mga nanonood ngayon, gusto ko lang malaman, fina-follow nyo ba ka sa TikTok? Follow nyo muna ako bago kayo manood nito. I wanted to delve myself again sa YouTube because I really wanted to connect long form with people that I used to talk to. And I really want to do long form content. Feeling ko yun yung gusto kong gawin. Especially with perfumes, long form perfume content with Carlo. I feel like that will be very fun. I feel like that will be such a nice thing to do. Being with you guys sa mga events, I feel like it's such a practice before and ngayon ilan na lang yung gumagawa. But ayun lang, let me know what type of content you want to see next and I'm so excited to share my new life with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you did, click like and subscribe. Oh, wait lang, videohan nga natin. I hope you like this video. If you did, click like and subscribe. Also, please follow me on my TikTok at RafiCake. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and may you always own the throne. Bye!